Welcome to another training session. Today we learned how to produce soda soap using just two chemicals, and we didn't use scale nor cup. We just use simple implements that you can find around your home. So come with me, let's jump right in to the production. Let's see the making of our soda soap. Thank you. Another training session. Today we'll be learning how to produce soda soap. You know the common soda soap that we know. I'm making it with just two ingredients. We need just two ingredients to produce this soda soap. One is a PKO. You can also use bleach red palm oil if you want to, but I'll be using PKO here because PKO for me here is cheaper, and I'll be using my fermented caustic soda. I'll make it very easy for you today. I'll not be using scale and measuring cup. I'll be using cups, something you can find in your house so that you can easily produce this in your house. You won't give excuse that I don't have scale, so I won't produce. No. So how do you ferment your caustic soda? You see your caustic soda crystal. Just take one part of caustic soda, one caustic soda, and 3 water. Use the same, whatever thing you're using to measure, let that thing be your unit of measure. If you want to use this cup, let it be your unit of measure. If you want to use this bigger one, fine. If you want to use this cup, anything you're using, let it be your unit of measure. So to ferment your caustic soda, use 1 part of your caustic soda crystal, like this, your powdered caustic soda, and then add 3 liters of water. But remember that you always add caustic soda to water. That means you measure your water first. You need to ferment for at least 24 hours before you use. What did I say again? You use 3 parts of water, 3 water plus 1 caustic soda. That is how you get your lye solution, your caustic soda solution, and then you ferment it for at least 24 hours before you use it. So, and here I'll be using, I've already done this before now, so I'll be using it. So, and this is my PK. So to go straight, I'll be using 3 parts of my PK oil to 2 parts of water. So let's go, my 2 parts of lye solution. So let's go. I'll use this also as my unit of measure. I'll use 3 parts of PK. 1, 2, and this is 3. I use 3 cups of PKO, and I'll be using 2 cups of my lye solution. So we will tell you to use exactly the same quantity, but because I don't want too much lye in my soap, I'll not be using the same quantity. So use it my start. That's why you see some soda soap that will start peeling the hand. So I'll not do that here. I reduce it so that it will not itch the hand. At least your customers will not complain and say that your soap is itching their hand. So you just stir very, very well. You can add color. If you want to add color, add your color to your PKO before you start stirring. So you just stir very, very well until it forms that very thick trace. It's already forming that trace here. And I'll pour into my mold. This is very simple to produce. You can produce this from your home. You can see how I did it. I did not use scale. I did not use measuring cup. You can use anything as a unit of measurement. Any cup you have at home. Just make sure that you use that same cup to measure both your water, your caustic soda, and your oil. I used 3 parts of water to 1 part of caustic soda. Soaked it 24 hours before I started class. In my Telegram class, I also have a video there where I added filler to this soap, which will make it more profitable for you. I teach everything about making more profit in soap. So if you want to join my class, just send me a message on the WhatsApp number you see above. I have a method there that will teach you how to produce this soap, adding fillers so that you can make more profit. So our soap is ready. So I'll just pour it into a mold. I'll be using these cups as my mold. So I'll just pour it them. I'll just scoop them into my mold. You see, it is very, very simple to produce. Very, very easy. You can make it at home. I did not use scale. I did not tell you start measuring 100 ml or something. So I made it very, very simple so that you can produce it in your home. Don't have an scale. Don't say because I don't have a scale I cannot produce. No. So this is our soap. So we are just going to leave them. Let me put this one in bigger stuff. You can add color. If you want to add color, you can add color to your oil before you mix. Caustic soda in my soap. That is why I didn't use. That's why I reduced the caustic soda and I made it oil much more than my caustic soda, so that it will not start. You see some soda soap that you use and it will be peeling your hands. You know those I reduced this so that okay. So this is my soap. This is my soap. So I'll come back to show you when it is properly dry so we can unmold it. Thank you. Okay, so you're welcome to the concluding part of this training. So these are the soap that we did. Wow, you can see our soda soaps. Look at how beautiful they are. Look at how, wow. You see our soap? You see our soap? You see, did them in a very, very simple process. Look at our soap. Look at the soaps that we did yesterday. You can see they are very, very beautiful. Are they not beautiful and hard? So I taught you how to produce this soda soap using simple processes and measurements. We didn't use scale or whatever here. I taught you how to produce them using just this to measure. You don't need to, those of you that say, I don't know how to measure, I cannot produce because I don't have scale. So you have no excuse. Just get anything you have in your home. You can use it as your unit of measure. Use it to measure everything and you get this thing. So if you know, I also have a recipe on how I produce this, and I'll get much more quantity than this. If you know you want to join my class, just send me a WhatsApp message on the WhatsApp number you're seeing above, and you join my Telegram class. I'll teach you everything you need to know about making profit in soap making and how to start. Please, if you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to do that, and also like and share so that YouTube show it to more people. Thank you so much, and God bless you.